Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice non-veg updated. Start by cooking rice a day ahead and chilling it to dry out for best texture. Cut proteins into small, even pieces and marinate briefly with soy sauce. Use high heat, a roomy pan, and quick strokes to keep rice separate and slightly charred. Finish with sesame oil and scallions for bright flavor and aroma. Prepare proteins first so everything moves fast at the stove. Marinate chicken or pork with soy sauce and a pinch of sugar for a quick boost of flavor. Pat shrimp dry so they sear instead of steaming, and season lightly with salt and white pepper. Scramble 2 eggs in the wok, then remove and set aside to fold in at the end for fluffy texture and extra richness. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading while you cook, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp, glare-free pages and long battery life. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more recipe updates. I added a link in the description where you can check current deals and details on the device. It's a handy companion for step-by-step recipes. Now let's get back to the video. High heat is the secret to cleanly seared grains and caramelized bits. Heat oil until shimmering, then cook aromatics and proteins quickly so they brown without overcooking. Add chilled rice in batches and toss to separate grains, never overcrowding the pan. Splash soy and oyster sauce sparingly, tasting as you go, and return scrambled egg and scallions at the end for a balanced, savory finish that keeps texture lively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.